Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coin in ZBrush. We'll start by creating a simple cylindrical base mesh, which is the foundation for our coin. It's important to give your cylinder enough subdivisions, perhaps 5 to 8 million polygons, to capture fine details later. Then, we'll use Dynamesh to ensure a consistent and workable mesh throughout the sculpting process, allowing for smooth transitions and clean surfaces. Next, we'll bring our coin to life by sculpting the main relief. A common technique involves importing a black and white image, or alpha, of your desired design. You can then create a stencil from this alpha, which allows you to brush the depth onto the coin's surface. Remember to adjust the Z intensity of your brush, typically between 5 and 15, to achieve the perfect subtle relief effect. Now, let's focus on refining the coin's edges and adding surface texture. Real coins aren't perfectly round, so use the knife curve brush to introduce slight imperfections to the silhouette. The Trim Dynamic brush is excellent for beveling corners and smoothing out ridges, giving it a worn feel. For added realism, use the Dam Standard brush to sculpt subtle scratches and nicks, enhancing the coin's aged appearance. For the final touches, apply a suitable material, like a gold or metallic shader, to see your coin in its intended glory. Once satisfied, you can export your detailed three-dimensional model for use in other applications. If you're creating assets for games or other materials, consider generating height maps or alphas from your sculpt. This allows for efficient texturing and ensures your intricate details are preserved across different platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.